Alright guys, so now we are going to learn the reactionary order block trading strategy. So this is actually auto flow trading strategy, but with more confirmation. And I do not mean confirming it on a smaller time frame or anything. You will be confirming it on the same time frame. It's different than whatever you have been. I bet it's different than what you have seen on YouTube or on any other course. So let's say we are in a downtrend, then we have this change of character or market structure shift, whatever you want to call it. Okay, once you have that, you will have fair value gap plus auto block at this level. Now normally you would take your entry directly from here, right? But in this scenario, what is a reactionary auto block? So when price comes into this auto block, it must make a push up, something like this, that will create another imbalance and auto block. Okay, it must create imbalance and auto block after mitigating the auto block and fair value gap around this level. Once that happens, that is your confirmation entry. It is gonna increase your win rate. This is what it's all about. Okay, very simple guys. I will repeat this again. So we have a market structure shift here. We got the fair value gap and auto block in the discounted zone. Price comes back into this zone. Normally you would buy it straight away, but sometimes it can just push through it, right? You want to avoid losses, so you wait for price to give you another reaction. All right, once price hits this level, it must create an impulsive move. It does not need to break any structure or anything. It just needs to create an imbalance and auto block. That is it. Once you have that, you can take your entry from that auto block. Now you can either put your stop loss just below this new impulsive, just below this new low that has formed, or you can put it down there just to be on the safe side. Okay, and voila, that is it. Same for a continuation pattern. Let's say we are in an uptrend. Price makes another higher high, right? And we got this fair value gap around here and auto block. So this would have been an ABC pattern as well. So what happens? Price comes into this level, goes up, creates fair value gap. Okay, and then you target the high. That is it, guys. All right, so price broke, did a market structure break, right? It created fair value gap and imbalance. Price made an impulsive move. Once the price hit the auto block and fair value gap at this level, it created fair value gap and auto block here as well. Now this is your confirmation entry. You don't want to go to the smaller time frames and all that bullshit. Okay, you just can easily take your entry here, and do not chase big risk reward, guys. All right, if you stick with 1 to 3, 1 to 2, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, trust me, that is more than enough. Never chase a lot. Okay, never chase big risk reward ratios. The price is gonna come to you. All right, the market is not yours. It can reverse anytime. So why not just take your profits and enjoy the rest of the day, rather than holding the trade and expecting to hit, like, I don't know, maybe 10 risk reward. Yes, sometimes you can hit it, but it's just not worth it, guys. So just take your profits and enjoy. So I'll give you an example of this trading, of this reactionary auto block. So yeah,